Introducing the all-new ScootPack Lockable Backpack for mobility scooters and power chairs by the Scooter Accessories. The ScootPack quickly and securely mounts onto any scooter or power chair's seat back, with extra security if your seat is equipped with a headrest. A TSA-accepted luggage combination lock allows you to safely and securely lock your valuables away. The ScootPack is perfect for your laptop, books, electronics, and so much more. Offering 2 cane holders on either side. The grab handle allows you to carry your ScootPack if you choose to remove it from your scooter. Secure your most precious items with the ScootPack Lockable Backpack by the Scooter Accessories. Call AutoMobility store for more details.